Welcome to Cases SEO, and today I'm going to show you how you can find keywords for your image alt text. So we'll head to the computer and I'm going to show you guys how you can find your keywords using SEMrush, and then I'll show you how you can take those keywords and add those to your images for your alt image text. But first, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay updated with more SEO tips. I'm going to be using SEMrush and the keyword magic tool in order to find keywords for our alt image text. So you can go up here to the search bar and type in a keyword. For this example, we will use SEO. Now you can search from a keyword difficulty or by volume. I always recommend you start with keyword difficulty and then try to find a keyword that suits your article and image with a decent volume. You can also find keywords by clicking the questions button, and this will bring up a list of questions. Now these keywords will be your long tail keywords, but if you have an article that works for these keywords, feel free to use one of these questions. So you could choose how to do SEO for Google sites. This keyword has a search volume of 30 and a keyword difficulty of 9. If you're going to choose this keyword, you would then copy and paste this keyword, go to your website. For this example, I'll be using WordPress. Now you're going to upload an image or use an image that you already have in your media file. Click on that image. Then you'd go over here to the alternative text, paste that keyword that you just chose. And then you could also use that keyword for the title. But I highly recommend that you use your keyword as the file name when you save the image and then upload that image into WordPress or your other CMS that you're using. So the file name would already be the title, and then you could add that keyword into your alternative text. So there's just one way where you can find keywords for your alt text. Now I suggest if you're going to use multiple images on that web page or article to use keywords that are all similar and don't use the same keyword for all your alt text. If you're trying to rank that page for a local business, make sure to add the location within the alt text. So then when people are searching for your service in your area and they look on the image section on Google, your image will then appear for that keyword and your location. If you guys have any more questions or comments, please let me know and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated with more SEO tips.